Music. It is something we should all have access to. Learning music provides almost all key skills any child or adult needs as they progress in life. Diligence, attention to detail, composure, confidence. But for those who are physically disabled, the realm of professional performance arts can be one wrought with design issues. OHMI, a UK charity, aims to open new possibilities for such disabled people by adapting instruments and offering devices to aid in performance. Their philosophy is to remove the barriers to music making, so as to enable full and undifferentiated participation in musical life. It was our pleasure, therefore, to design a novel contraption to assist those who could benefit so greatly from music making. The current solution OHMI employs involves a cumbersome stand that restricts movement substantially, removing close to all artistic expression from the performance. Our top priority was to hence allow a wide stage for movement. Time spent playing, practicing and setting up were also key in aiding the realization of the device. Ideally, donning of the device would be quick and be possible without assistance, while still maintaining a comfortable experience. Moreover, we envisioned a universal design that would allow a multitude of instruments to be adapted to the device. Likewise, we also understood at the core of OHMI's philosophy, inclusivity was the key focus, so acknowledging a range of body types, male, female, body shape, etc., guided the design process. Initial designs did not fully embrace the criteria we imposed on ourselves, and correspondence with OHMI corroborated this. After numerous iterations, the polished industrial final design was formed, inspired by weightlifting gym belts and the angle poise lamp, consisting of 3 separate parts: a leather belt, an arm, and a connecting interface. The belt provides the base for all other attaching components and is easily manipulated single-handedly. Offloading more weight onto the lower body eliminates the strain placed on the shoulders and back, whilst being more gender-inclusive. Crucially, performers can express the music with a more dynamic range of motion. An arm is used to hold the instrument at the correct position. Made from aluminium tubes and springs, allows it to be strong and non-cumbersome. The ability to fold the arm down makes it easy to store and transport, whilst its capability to extend and shorten allows different types of instruments to be played by people of different heights. A connecting interface is used to connect the belt and the arm. The vertical tube of the arm can easily be slotted into the attachment on the belt with magnets to keep it in place. The attachment is also screwed to the belt at each of the 4 corners, ensuring a strong connection and reducing the stress on both the belt and the attachment. The final design meets our desire for a comfortable, adjustable and practical solution. The simple material choice and easy outsourcing of materials, along with the simple assembly, also agrees with the cost-effective criterion. We believe our final design tackles the problem effectively and efficiently, yet due to time constraints, we were forced to focus on key aspects, leaving room for future improvements. Hence, knowing our design is not without imperfections, there's a list of things we would like to incorporate in the future. The first addition would be to the belt, with straps akin to trouser braces. This would help distribute the weight over a larger proportion of the user's body, allowing improvements to comfort and breathing. Further improving comfort, additional padding, in accordance to feedback, would be added. The current design is made for ages starting from young adults. Given the speed at which children grow, along with the differences in body strength, such a solution currently is not suitable. This would mean, instead of adapting the current design, we would have to make a new design specifically for children. This idea ties into wheelchair users. We believe that wheelchair users can still use our product, however, they might find it difficult to equip and uncomfortable to wear. A potential solution to this is to attach the mechanical arm to the wheelchair, instead of somehow making the user wear it. Minor alterations for a more universal instrument adaptation could also be considered. We are all very connected to music in some way. We are confident that the wider-reaching implications of opening music performance to a more diverse audience creates a world where disability does not define who you are. This tool is just one step towards a greater goal of inclusivity.